If somebody comes to you and he desires, supposing he desires something and you can give that desire. Supposing somebody comes to you and he asks, give me money, and he is dependent totally on money for you. And you know that there is nobody for him. And he doesn't want knowledge, he doesn't want anything else. Only thing, he depends on you totally. You will give definitely money, I am not saying you won't give. But at the same time, you will search for the opportunity to tell him there is something bigger than this also. Don't only be after money. Be after something bigger in life also. You will always tell that to him. You go to Bhagavan and you yourself will see this in your life. Most of you must have done Sakam Upasana of Bhagavan. But after doing Sakam Upasana, same Bhagavan makes you Nishkam. What you was very important, he will take away the importance. And he will take away the desire of that object also from your mind. This is a typical thing about Bhagavan. You do worship, you do Aradhana and Upasana, and ultimately he will slowly take away the very desire only. The fulfillment of desire from the Lord takes you to desirelessness from the desire and desire of the God. Fulfillment of desire takes you to freedom from that desire, and it takes you to desire of that God rather than desire of the object. And ultimately the desire of the God converts into the desire of the knowledge of the essence of the God. Knowledge of the essence of God. Nahin theek? Fulfillment of desire. Second, desire of the God. Third, desire of the essence of the God. Ultimately, God will see that you become a Mahatma. God alone made Arjun Mahatma. It is not possible you worship God and He will make you only Artharthi and Arth Bhakt only. There is promotion. As I gave you the example, if somebody comes to you regularly, only for food, or only for water, or only for distress, you will always think, and I give you something more if you have something more. I will give you something so that desire itself will go away. Then this vritti is from the Ishwar only. This vritti in us, that someone who loves you, he should get better and best. He should be out of sorrows. That is the best. Because all devotees of God, whether he was Gajendra, whether he was Draupadi, whether he was Arjun, ultimately Bhagavan gave them knowledge only. If you need about Arjun also, and in Bhagavad, in the typical text, in various ways, most of them, they did not get mukti and went to Vaikuntha, those who were great saints. Their mukti is Videha Mukti and Jivan Mukti. Whether Dhritarashtra also after dying, he became one with Lord. Prithu also, Dhritarashtra also. Of course, what to say of Jad Bharat, etc. Priyavrat also. They did not go to Vaikuntha. They had mukti of the Jivan Mukti and Videha Mukti they got. So a person, I feel, if they had gone to Lord with the desire, okay, Bhagavan may fulfill desire or not fulfill desire, but at least Bhagavan will, even if he doesn't fulfill desire, he will do something so that your worship doesn't go in vain. Your worship doesn't go in, futile results doesn't come to your worship.